Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Salmo, British Columbia, is a small village in the West Kootenay region, set along the Salmo River and surrounded by forested mountains. It sits at an important junction where Highway 6 meets Highway 3, making it a natural stopping point for travelers moving through southern British Columbia. While it may seem quiet today, Salmo has long played a role as a connector between communities, shaped by geography and the routes that pass through it. Long before roads and highways were built, this area was part of the traditional territory of Indigenous peoples, including the Scenic, or Lakes people. They lived throughout the Columbia River Basin for thousands of years, using rivers and mountain passes as travel routes and sources of food. The Salmo River Valley would have been an important corridor, offering access through otherwise rugged terrain and supporting a wide range of plant and animal life. European settlement in the region began in the late 19th century, driven largely by mining activity. Prospectors were drawn to the Kootenays by discoveries of gold, silver, lead, and zinc. Nearby areas, including Emir and Nelson, became early centers of mining and commerce. Salmo developed as a service point along transportation routes, providing supplies and support to workers and nearby communities. Its location made it a practical place for settlement, even if it never grew into a large town. The arrival of railways in the late 1800s and early 1900s helped shape the region's growth. Rail lines connected mining operations to smelters and markets, making it easier to move both raw materials and people. Roads followed, gradually improving access through the mountains. Over time, Salmo became known as a junction community where different routes and industries met, reinforcing its role as a small but important link in the regional network. Salmo was officially incorporated as a village in 1946. By then, it had established itself as a stable community with a mix of mining, forestry, and service-based activity. Like many small towns in British Columbia, its population fluctuated with the rise and fall of resource industries, but it maintained a steady presence due to its location and adaptability. One of the defining features of Salmo's location is its proximity to Kootenay Pass, the highest year-round maintained highway pass in the province. When the modern route over the pass was completed in the year 1964, it significantly improved travel between the interior and the Creston Valley. This development reinforced Salmo's role as a gateway to the pass, bringing more consistent traffic and strengthening its connection to surrounding communities. Over the years, Salmo has also become known for its connection to outdoor recreation and rural living. The surrounding mountains, forests, and rivers provide opportunities for hiking, fishing, and exploring in all seasons. The area's natural setting is a major part of its appeal, offering a quieter alternative to larger centers while still being within reach of places like Nelson and Trail. Today, Salmo remains a small, close-knit community with deep ties to the land and the history of the region. Its story reflects the broader patterns of settlement in the Kootenays, Indigenous presence, resource development, transportation routes, and gradual change over time.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!